Welcome to Deep Links, folks. Let's talk about something that everyone thinks they know, but most people screw up: money. Financial literacy and personal finance. Yeah, I know, sounds boring, right? But here's the deal: if you're not paying attention, money will ruin your life faster than a tequila bender on a Tuesday night. This isn't some lame-ass school lecture or your dad giving you the same tired advice about saving pennies. Nah, we're diving deep, talking about how to get your shit together when it comes to money. Alright, let's get this straight. Most people are terrible with money. And I mean terrible. They live paycheck to paycheck, don't have a clue what their bank account looks like, and think credit cards are some magical tool that'll let them live like a Kardashian. Reality check: it doesn't work like that. You need to know how money actually works, or else it will work against you. Let's rip off the Band-Aid and talk about some hard truths that your mom, your teachers, and your friends are probably too polite to say. First up, let's talk about budgeting. You know what a budget is? It's not a suggestion. It's not a thing you do once a year, like taxes or New Year's resolutions that you drop in 2 weeks. A budget is your damn life. If you don't know how much money is coming in and where it's going, you're just pissing in the wind. A lot of you think, I work hard, I deserve to spend my money on whatever makes me happy. Cool, go ahead, but don't come crying when you're eating ramen noodles and asking your mom for gas money at the age of 35. A budget is simple: money in, money out. If more money's going out than coming in, you're screwed. It doesn't matter if you're making minimum wage or you're raking in 6 figures. Hell, there are millionaires going bankrupt because they can't stick to a budget. Don't be an idiot, know your numbers. You can't fix what you don't measure. It's like trying to lose weight but refusing to step on the scale. Stop being scared of reality. Let's talk about credit cards for a minute. Credit cards are not your friends. They're more like that one friend who always convinces you to do shots and then ditches you with the bar tab. Yeah, sure, credit cards can be useful. They build your credit score, they give you points or miles or whatever the hell they're promising you. But if you're using them like free money, you're just screwing yourself over. Credit card debt is like cancer. It starts small and then suddenly you're knee-deep in shit and wondering how the hell it got so bad. Pay off your damn credit cards every month. If you can't do that, don't use them. It's that simple. You don't need a fancy app or a finance degree to figure this out. You spend more than you have, you're in debt, and that debt will fester like a wound until it cripples you. And don't even think about using one card to pay off another. That's like using a Band-Aid to fix a bullet wound. It doesn't work, and you're just making it worse. And for the love of all that is holy, stop with the excuses. I don't make enough money to save. Bullshit. You can always save something. If you can afford Netflix, Spotify, avocado toast, and those overpriced pumpkin spice lattes, you can save. I don't care if it's $10 a month, that's still better than nothing. The problem isn't that you don't make enough, it's that you spend too much on dumb shit. Now, let's get into investing. Yeah, that's right, I said it. Some of you just freaked out. Investing is for rich people, or I don't know anything about stocks. Shut up. You don't need to know everything about the stock market to start investing. You just need to know that sitting on your ass and letting your money rot in a savings account is like planting a tree in concrete. It's not going to grow. Start small. Use apps like Acorns or Robinhood or whatever. Just do something. Because if you're not investing, you're losing money every damn day to inflation. Inflation is like a thief in the night, quietly stealing the value of your money while you sleep. If you're not beating inflation, you're getting poorer. It's that simple. Let's get real about retirement, too. If you think Social Security is going to save you, think again. By the time you're old and wrinkly, Social Security might not even exist. And even if it does, do you really want to live on the government scraps? Plan your own damn retirement. Start a 401k, open an IRA, do something. And stop with the "I'll start saving later" bullshit. Later becomes never real quick. You're not guaranteed tomorrow, so start today. Put your money to work now, so you're not eating cat food in a one-room shack when you're old. I'm serious. Alright, let's talk about some of the stupid shit people do with money. Buying crap they don't need to impress people they don't even like. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You don't need the newest iPhone every year. You don't need a car that costs more than your yearly salary. You don't need to go on vacation to Bali just to post it on Instagram. Half the people you're trying to impress don't even give a damn. Here's another hot take. Your emergency fund isn't optional. Shit happens. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, you get hit with a medical bill. If you don't have at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up, you're one unexpected bill away from a financial meltdown. And no, your credit card is not an emergency fund. That's like saying, I'll just use a bucket to bail out this sinking ship. Good luck with that. Let's wrap this up with some tough love. If you don't have the self-discipline to manage your money, you're going to have a rough life. Period. Money doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care if you think you deserve to live a certain way. It's math, it's numbers, and it's not going to magically work out just because you're a nice person or because you really, really want it to. Stop being lazy. Stop blaming the system, the economy, your boss, or whatever else you've decided is responsible for your financial problems. It's you. You're responsible. And that's good news because it means you can change it. Take control, educate yourself, stop buying dumb shit, and start investing in your future. And remember, if you don't have a plan for your money, someone else does. Usually, it's some corporate overlord who wants you spending it on things you don't need so they can make a fat profit. Don't be a sucker. Get smart, get tough, and start making your money work for you instead of the other way around. Alright, that's enough truth bombs for today. If you liked what you heard, hit that like button, subscribe to Deep Links, and drop a comment below about the dumbest financial mistake you've ever made. Let's all learn from each other's stupidity. Until next time, take care of your money, and it'll take care of you.